How would you like riding away in this charming-looking 2009 Chevrolet Impala at a price like this? Score this great Impala at a brilliant price that you can easily afford. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice. It has lots of creature comforts such as wireless connectivity, power driver seat, and power steering. Call us today to schedule a test drive.